Hi, welcome to part 3 of our Culturally Sustaining and Revitalizing Pedagogy series. So you just watched Julian Treasure talk about 5 ways to listen better, and especially this idea of rasa, being able to receive, appreciate, summarize, and ask in response to listening to someone else. So now I want you to do a little reflection. So on a piece of paper or on the computer, wherever, you're not going to turn this in, but just a moment of reflection for you. Write about the rasa words with a bit of space for recording thoughts. So, write the receive and then kind of record some thoughts on that, appreciate, summarize, and ask. And remember that we try to set aside these things that are on the left when we're listening. It isn't that our culture doesn't matter, our language doesn't matter, our values don't matter. Of course they do. But those things can become biases when we're listening to somebody else who has a different culture, maybe a different language. They might even have different values or beliefs, different attitudes about things. They might have different expectations than us, or even different intentions about something. So if we are always filtering what we are receiving, what we're listening to through all of those things, we might miss their story, right? We might only be interpreting it through ours. So we can't ever completely get this stuff away from us, right? Because it's who we are, it's part of our identities. But we can do a thing called bracketing, which is kind of like, let me just set my thinking aside for a moment and really listen to what this person has to say. So I'll just give you a moment to jot down some ideas around that. Okay, if you need a little more time to jot down some more, if you were in the middle of thinking and writing, go ahead and pause the video and finish what you were thinking. And then we are going to give this a try with some individual story. So you're going to stop this video and listen to the story as told by these Northern Ute teens. These are some teens that are sharing their story of how they were received or not received and their culture in the schools in which they go. So again, as you listen to their story, you might want to have rasa kind of jotted down, or you might just want to listen without writing and then write afterwards. But listen to their story. And as you're listening, try to block out the bombardment of your own biased filters, the things on the left we talk about, and engage in rasa, receiving, appreciate, summarizing, and asking. And then, like I said, you can jot notes as you listen to their story, or you can just listen and then jot some notes after.